processing is currently underway to tow the land trolley. Everything is okay. Start now. Take care. Dear friends, today's full video contains all kind of stuff to done video including trolley processing, loading, dimension making, pull up to the trolley that has got into the down. Patiently wait and watching the video. Right now we saw the latter trolley go down through the east stop. We will wait near the excavator to fully load the soil. Wow, dear friends, very interesting. I see the dump box is being used to check the trolley now. Right now I see Mr. Shoes come forward to clean his ladder trolley's forward glass, and very soon he start his ladder trolley. Wait and see. Oh wow! Right now the battery is start. Let's go. At the moment I see that the ladder trolley waiting here and the excavator is on road the ladder trolley, and already all ladder trolley is fully loaded and he moved here now, and very soon I will see how he unload the ladder trolley box. Wait and see. Hey, look, the full loaded ladder trolley is slowly go forward, but body road and it's for here have not possible to go fast, and to trolley have a 32 HP JD engine, and it is brand engine I know, and look how the ladder trolley is go up to the slope. I enjoy the moment. I think it is very risky for the driver, but I believe the driver has excellent experience. That is why the ladder trolley is being reversed. Then by applying proper power, it will quickly climb up from the slope to ride the high speed. Wow, yes, it's true. At the moment the driver has started pulling the trolley at a high speed. It's JD brand engine trolley. The powerful trolley slowly climb up. Patiently watching the heavy machinery works more than a long video. Right now we saw the unloaded trolley lane, and a loaded trolley arrived in soil. It will unload a air to create a new dimension. Right now we prepare to each unloaded and create a new dimension. Patiently watching. The road for the trolley to go down is soft because of the new soil. The soil will be unloaded on the slope right next to road to strengthen the muddy road. Some soil has been dumped and is being spread evenly everywhere. This is why there will be no pressure on the vehicle during movement, and the wheels on sink. That is why the work is strengthened. The diversion is ongoing. Right now we can see the vehicle is moving backward because of the soil will be dumped on the slope and rise and level the ground. Right now the soiling campaign is finished, and now the soil will be leveled to make the diversion strong and even. At the moment the ladder trolley will be moving backward to forward to make the diversion is strong and level. It's for the ladder trolley backward and forward again and again. Slowly stop. Yeah, we can see the forward wheels is down sink. It's for we need some soil put on the slope, and it's for the slope is a level clearly and strong. Again back. Yeah, wow, the wheels is round and round. We think again go forward, then again come backward. It's for the direction is very strong. At the moment, we can see the ladder trolley climbing up the slope to go and reload with soil. Right next to it, we are about to see another ladder trolley unloading soil. Was the amazing scenes of how it rear wheels get back and sink into the ground of whilst level. We will also see how another trolley pulls it out. Hey, look, the ladder trolley is unloading now the soil. And look at the back of wheels already sick. Enjoy now the video. I think it's very interesting. Hey, look, at the moment you can see the vehicle is unable to pull itself out of the road. At the back of wheels are spinning at the full speed, but the vehicle is not moving at all. Dear friends, look at the wheel. See how they are spinning, but the vehicle is not moving from there. Oh my God, how the vehicle, it's a sink. It sank the back of wheels of the car. Oh, right now we can see a strong iron chain bring through forward. The chain will be used to pull the trolley out. Keep watching the interesting video, dear friends, and look how the chain is set up with the trolley. Right now we can see a fully loaded trolley. Ladder trolley is moving backward to helping and pull the chain and out with the stroke ladder trolley. The chain setup is completed. It will be pulled right now. Both trolley will apply their power to pull it out easily from there. Everything is okay. Start now. Take care. Yeah. Wow, Yamagi, what interesting way. The vehicle come out very easily through the airplane of proper power. The loaded trolley was able to pull it out quite easily. Thanks to the experienced trolley driver. Thank you so much and thanks for watching the video, every friends.